All right, y'all, so I'm about to go into Ikea and I'm already overwhelmed. There's a lot of cars in the parking lot, y'all. It's crazy. I mean, like, it's packed, okay? So I'm overwhelmed, but there it is. Y'all see it over there? So yeah, so we're about to go in here. Chris acting like he don't want to be here, but I know he's excited. Are you excited, babe? He like, hell no, I'm not excited. So yeah, I'm about to go in here, look for some bar stools and see if they have like beds as mattresses. Just look for everything, see what they have. I've never been here, like I said. So yeah, and I'm really interested in the Ikea system, which is like a whole bunch of shelves and you can like build it and design it however you want to. I'm probably not gonna do all of that. If they have one that's already like kind of like a pre-made design, I'll look into those. But yeah, so we're about to go in here, see what it's hitting for. Forgot to come back, y'all, and let y'all know about my Ikea experience. So this is like days later, like after I left Texas, but I will say that Ikea overwhelmed me. I think it is just like it's big, y'all. It's a big store, so if you're a person that loves big stores, then you probably won't be overwhelmed. But there was just lots of people in there, and it was just like really packed. And I noticed there were a lot of like families there, you know, like expecting moms, people that were just like building a house, moving into homes. So this is what I think of Ikea. I think Ikea is a great place to shop if you're looking for bigger items. I don't know about online. Online might be better. But as far as in the store, there is really like a lot of big stuff. Like they have small like home decor and small like home organization tools and just different things like that. But for the most part, I mean, the way they have everything in the store is really smart. They have everything staged, right? So they have a desk in like a desk area of your home. So they have it to where it would look like it would be in a home. And when I was looking at the Ikea pack systems, they had those also set up with like clothes on them, with like decor on them, and they had them set up like they were actually in a home. So yeah, so that's, I guess, their little marketing tactic. They kind of have everything staged, so it makes you kind of want to buy the items. But I saw like a lot of different things. I saw vanities, I saw furniture, you know, refrigerators, washing machines, just different things like that. Look at the Ikea pack systems, and I will say it's pretty cool. They had these computers there where you can like go on the computer and you can actually design it like how you want it to look. So if you want clothing shelves, if you want to have 4 different drawers, you can add the drawers on your shelves. So you can pretty much make it how you want to make it, which I thought was really cool. The space that I have to work with in our home is a little bit too small, I think, for an Ikea pack system. So I will go on Amazon and just look at smaller like shelving units, but I don't think I'll be able to put an entire pack system, especially because my fiance and I will be sharing an office. So yeah, so I have to kind of rethink how I want to do it. Maybe I can get, you know, 2 white bookshelves and kind of combine those. So I'm not sure yet, but that was pretty much my experience at Ikea. I didn't really see like too much things that I was like crazy about, but I did love how everything was staged, and it kind of gave you a good idea of like how the items would actually look in your home. But like the bar stools and stuff, I feel like those are like pretty basic. I didn't see anything that was like too extravagant in there. I didn't eat anything in the Ikea cafe. my fiance did. He had like the meatball plate with like mashed potatoes or something like that, and he said it really wasn't good. They don't really have like regular stuff to drink, so they don't have like Powerade and Coke and like seltzer water type stuff in there, but they did have a drink called cola, so I guess it was like Coke flavored seltzer water or something like that. So that's what my fiance got. He got that little sparkling water, but he said it really was not good, and I don't like stuff like that, like meatballs and all. I don't like stuff like that, so I did not try any of the food. The pizza looked kind of dry, so I was just not feeling it, y'all. I didn't eat at Ikea at all. So excited about going to Ikea. It was my first time, but yeah, it was definitely worth the experience though, and I think my fiance and I had a good time. So we're about to go in the store and get some stuff for the house. Hey guys, so about last night. So last night ended up turning into like a shopping date night, so I was not recording as we were going into the stores, but we did go into like Big Lots, Dollar Tree. We also found like a lot of things at Ross, so I didn't really get to like show you guys what I got once I got back home because I didn't lay anything out. So I think what I'm gonna do is once I get everything that I need, including like a coffee table, a rug, and all these different things that I need for the house, I'll do like a home decor series where I show you guys kind of each room and how I transform the room from before and after. But I'll show you guys the aftermath, but I'm about to get on the road. I have to head back home to Louisiana. Here's pretty much the aftermath of what we got on yesterday. So I had a 15% off coupon, so we got a lot of stuff at Big Lots, and then we found a lot of stuff at Ross. I really like this little cute mat. I got that at Ross. I want this for like by the stove area. So I got a few little things. I even got like a cute welcome mat. I feel like the hello in cursive is like aesthetically pleasing. We needed like a dish rack. So I got all of these little things. We did get like some organizational stuff. So we got like the little egg holder thing for the eggs. And it holds 21 eggs. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then I got this for like the table. I don't know exactly how I'm going to set up the table, but I do kind of want beige and cream colors in my kitchen. So that's pretty much why I got these little mats. But yeah, we got like a pizza pan. We got stuff for the guest silverware from Ross. We needed a knife set, so we got that. We got cutting boards, we needed that. We got some towels for the master bath and also the guest bathroom. So I'd say we did pretty good with our first little like shopping spree. It was really fun. My fiance was like, come on, I'm bringing you to get whatever you need for the house. So that was a really fun experience. But yeah, like I said, I will be doing a home decor series to kind of show you guys in more detail exactly what we plan on doing with each. In my car driving back to Louisiana. So yeah, I feel like I can finally talk, y'all, because I feel like getting out of Houston, I feel like it's like hustle and bustle. Like everybody's going so fast and stuff on the highway just to like get out of Houston, and it's just crazy. But anyway, yeah, so I pretty much woke up this morning. I had a consultation this morning. I got some really good feedback, y'all, on my consultation services, and you know, it's some feedback that I can definitely take and use, you know, for future references. But I had some really good feedback, and one of the things that I got today from one of my clients was the fact that like I give thorough notes and like I let them know like exactly what to do next and what we discuss in every consultation meeting. So that's something I kind of pride myself in. Consultants out there that consult people, but a lot of times you're consulting, you're just kind of telling them what to do, but then after the call they're kind of lost. They don't really know what to do. They don't have any notes from the meeting. They don't really have any action items. So I definitely make sure to include action items like every single time I do a consultation, and I also like to do action items just so they have something to actually do the next time we meet for our next session. So yeah, I'm really like excited, and I'm really proud of, you know, the feedback that I got today regarding my consulting services, because I definitely do want to make sure that people are getting, you know, what they paid for. You know, I want to make sure everybody is getting their money's worth, right? Because whenever you hire a consultant, you're investing in yourself, you know, and you're also spending your hard-earned money on consulting. So I definitely feel like it's something that you should be able to get something out of, and not just, you know, oh, like I'm consulting with this person is helping me, but you're really not getting anything. There's a lot more stuff that we have to get. I'm planning on getting some stuff on Amazon also, and then we still have to go and like look for a rug and like look for some kind of picture for like our living room space. So yeah, we still have a lot to do. It's finally hitting me like I'm about to move and be back into, you know, quote unquote control my own space again, and I'm just excited, and I'm ready to be, a home decor girly. And it'll be a little different because I'm not moving, into an apartment again. I'm actually moving into an actual house, so I feel like I have more, just kind of more rooms and more space to work. And then I also wanted to quickly say thank you if you guys supported my Amazon storefront for the Amazon Prime Big Deal Days. Thank you, y'all. My storefront did really well. This is my first time participating in that event. I posted a lot of stories. I posted a lot of things on my community tab. I made a lot of different collages of all the different items on Amazon, and I'm literally sharing like all of my favorite items, y'all. And I really do enjoy like putting collages together of like all my favorite home things, or putting like an outfit inspo together in a collage. Like, I love doing stuff like that. So I feel like this Amazon influencer program is like really cool because I actually get to do something that I like. It's really not just sharing the links, like you have to create the content to go with it, and I'm really enjoying that piece of it. So again, if you supported my storefront on October 10th and 11th, thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it, y'all. Just proof, doing my Amazon storefront, like you never know like what can take you to the next level, one, and two, like you never know like how far you're gonna go, y'all. You don't know who's watching you, okay? So there's a lot of goals that I still like have for myself, but I know that I can have it, and I know that I deserve to have these things. So like I've just really been like thinking about that, like, man, like even though like things are hard, like I'm still seeing the light, like the sun is shining. Keep going, y'all. Like honestly, like I just keep going. And I could be really down and just crying every single day, right? Because my journey getting back in corporate has not been the easiest journey. I had a lot of interviews, y'all, with companies, and I've been making it like to the last round, and then like they're like, you know what, we decided to go with another candidate, or we're not hiring for this role. There's always like some kind of reason why I didn't get the role, and like this last company, y'all, like 3 weeks ago, literally, I had 7 interviews with this company. I had never had so many interviews with the company, y'all. So I'm like, 7 interviews. I'm like, I'm for sure about to get this job, y'all. Why at the end of the interview process, right, I waited like, I don't know, I think it was like a week, and I didn't hear anything. So like I followed up, and then they ended up telling me, like they're not staffing for the role right now, and they love to keep my resume on file. That is very hurtful in a way. Like I know like you're not supposed to take like stuff like that serious, but like when you are taking your time out to do something, you expect to gain something, and I always do gain, like experience as far as like my interviewing and stuff like that. It's a way for me to practice. But 7 interviews, y'all, and then like emailing me and being like, like we're trying to hire for this role fast, like you're a great candidate, like just saying all of these things and making you feel like you're about to get the role, and then you don't get it, like, so that's something that I've been like, man, like what the heck is going on? I'm like, God, I'm getting rejected all kind of ways, but every rejection I get, it's just God's redirection, you know what I mean? Like I think God has something really big in store as far as, me and my career, because I definitely want to still, work in corporate and stuff like while I'm young. Like that's something I definitely want to do. Of course I want that corporate bag too, but I say, what, God is really up to something. God is really up to something in my life. I don't know what it is. I don't know how it's going to happen, but God is really up to something, y'all. But I have been looking for just remote roles because, like I said, I am about to move in a few weeks, so I'm not looking for anything, to work in Louisiana or anything like that. I want U.S. remote, can work from home, and I'll be able to move and travel and do the things that I need to do while still having my corporate bag. So that's the goal that I have for myself. So I'm still working on that goal, But the key to everything, y'all, is to just have an abundant mindset, have a positive mindset, believe you can do it, y'all, and you have to keep going. Hey guys, so this is Editing Taylor. So I just wanted to show you guys a few things that I picked up today. So I did go by Drug Emporium because I needed a few things. I got some Russell Stevens pecan clusters, and then I also got 2 Olipop. I never tried these 2 flavors, but I did go ahead and get the tropical punch. And then I also got the vintage cola. And then I found these really cool castor oil roll-ons. I got 2 of those. I plan to use those on my breast just for like the little lumps and cysts that I have that forms on the bottom of my breasts, and I read that castor oil is really good for fibrocystic changes. So I'm definitely going to use that for that. And also my underarms, I do get a few lumps there. Then I also got some Synergy raw kombucha, and I'm trying this new mango kind. And then at Ross, I did pick up some sweet matcha, and I also picked up some Nivea body wash. But those are the only things I pretty much picked up today. It was a day full of fun with my mom, my aunt, and my little cousin. Hey guys, so we're in the mall, and I actually applied to be in the Good American Good Squad. So when I saw that, I just started like freaking out. But yeah, y'all, I applied for it, so I hope I get a call back. Hey y'all, what's up? So it is Sunday, so I'm about to go to Lift City Festival 2023 in Lafayette, y'all. So this is a big extravaganza that they're having in the park. There's going to be a whole bunch of stuff for the kids, like face painting. There's going to be, I think, a pet and zoo, zip lining, a whole bunch of stuff. And then they're also going to have like business vendors and also food trucks. So I'm really excited. This is my first time attending Lift City Fest, and I'm so excited. And they're going to have a lot of local artists here, as well as other artists like Corinne Hawthorne. I don't know if y'all know, she made that song that goes, "Won't he do it? He said he would." She made that one, and then she recently made "Look at God," and she's from Acadiana here in this area. So yeah, so Corinne Hawthorne is going to be there, and I think it's going to be so good. But I can't wait to see what they got to eat and what the vibes are looking like at Lift City Fest. But I just wanted to come on the camera. Not too much went on this weekend. This weekend I did try to go look for me another engagement party dress because I don't like the one that I bought initially for my engagement party. So we did that yesterday. We hung out at the mall. And then, yeah, that was pretty much it for yesterday. My godfather came by. And then today, y'all, I put these little like press on nails myself. I don't know what I was thinking, y'all, but I just went ahead and I tried. But I think it looks good enough from far. Okay, don't look too close to my hand. But that is pretty much all that is going on today, y'all. And also, I wanted to quickly show you guys some PR that I got from a few brands, and then we're gonna head to the event. So the first thing I got was this Rich Bee lip balm. I think the name is really funny, but it's also really cute. So this gives me like lip balm slash like lip gloss vibes, and this is by Freck Beauty, y'all. And I really like it because it's very lightweight on the lips and has a very light smell. So if you like lip glosses, Cormac, stuff like that, you'll definitely love this Rich Bee lip balm. And then also I was sent a rider band from the brand called Rider. This is a new brand where they have different things for your luggage, and the band basically protects your luggage. Video with my rider band showing you guys how I actually use it when I'm carrying stuff with my carry-on luggage. And I love this note that was sent by the owner with my package. It said, "Hi, so excited to share the rider band with you, XOXO Kim." So thank you so much, Miss Kim, for sending me my rider band. I was supposed to get the pink rider band, but I'm not sure what happened, but I ended up getting the blue rider band. But just think of it as like Skims for your luggage. It's basically what it is, but it's great for like your book bags, and it's great for like purses and different things that you plan to bring with your carry-on. So thank you so much, Rider, for sending me the rider band.
Lift City, what up? Make some noise, y'all. Make some noise.
It feels so good to be performing at home, so I'm gonna need for y'all to get lit with me tonight. Anybody feeling blessed? Say bless up. Say bless up. Let's do it, y'all. Y'all gotta vibe with me on this one.